We all have goals in life, yes or yes. So, not necessarily aiming for something material, but because health can be a goal, relationship can be a goal, financial can be a goal. So, basically, everyone is aspiring to have their goals achieved, and that's one of our desire to move forward in life. Sabi nga, nakatira tayo sa mundong ibabaw. Kailangan natin mabuhay. Kailangan natin maging healthy. Kailangan natin magmahal. Kailangan mahalin. Kailangan kumita ng pera. And kailangan mag-serve sa iba. So basically, these are things that we talks about here, lalong-lalo in manifesting your goal. So, sabi dito, greatness is not measured by what a man or woman accomplished, but by the opposition he or she has overcome to reach his goal. So, hindi daw sinusukat ang greatness ng isang tao base sa kung ano yung narating niya. Sinusukat kung gaano kalalim yung wisdom na